a cuppa before getting down to handing out cuppas. On Horse Guards Parade, 4,000 Jewish ex-servicemen and women were inspected by Lieutenant-General Sir Brian Horrocks, the famous commander of World War II. The occasion was the annual Jewish Remembrance Service by 57 branches of AJEX and contingents from other Jewish ex-service groups. The Reverend Dr Isaac Levy, senior Jewish chaplain to the forces, conducted the service in the absence of the chief rabbi. The march past by men and women on parade followed, the salute being taken by General Horrocks. And in Whitehall, a wreath of remembrance was laid in tribute to fallen comrades.